Hi friends, photography can be your passion or profession. In this video, we are going to create a wonderful website for your photography website. And I have a very wonderful theme today called Pentable. And Pentable is a photography and blog photo download WordPress theme. So with this, we will create a nice website for your photography showcasing or offering downloads and even for your photography blog. The Pentable WordPress theme has been developed by AN Themes and it was actually developed in 2017 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. However, this theme has not got so many sales, but it is a nice theme I have seen. So let us take a quick look of the demo of this theme. This is the main landing page of Pentable WordPress theme. This is category filter in this theme, so you can categorize your photographs in different segments, and this is a load scheme, and here comes the single photograph page where you can offer the download. So if you have decided to make a website offering photographs download, this is going to be a good catch for you. And if you are also a photographer or making some website for your client for similar needs, you can offer this theme without any doubt, and it has been well tested at my end, so you need not worry about the quality of theme. It is fine to use it. So it has further categorization, as I said, so you can use menus for categorization and this filter option as well. Social connects are here, and page is very clear and stunning. So it is just made for photographs, so only photographs is being shown on the page. So today we will install the Pentable WordPress theme on a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will preview the theme features and basic customization of this theme. So let us start. I have a fresh installation of WordPress and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got documentation, sample data, the main file, theme file, and the child theme. For installation, we need to reach on the theme section of WordPress. I assume you have already installed the WordPress, and add new, upload theme, choose file, select pentable-wp.zip here, and if you are having direct access on your server, I believe you are having this, you can directly upload in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same, it will save some time. So theme size is very less, it will take not more than 15-20 seconds, and it is a wonderful thing in this theme that theme size is very small, so it will work fast, no doubt. So we need to extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is pentable-wp folder, which we got all the theme components, folder and files. Now we can delete the zip one, we are not going to use it further. Come to the WordPress theme section again. This is our another option as theme, we can check the detail. This is Pentable WP version 2.4, and it is photography blog and photo download WordPress theme. Activate it, and upon activation we got an error that we need to install necessary plugins for this. At this stage we will do this. So begin installing plugins. These are the list of plugins or our recommended plugins, so there is no need to install necessarily any plugin, but definitely we need plugins to run this theme well. So I am installing all in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. All plugins has been installed. Now we can activate all. All plugins has been installed and activated. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme. And this is the look of website with the theme and plugins, of course. So there is no content, so nothing is being displayed here. Now we can go for the demo content, some demo content, so that we may understand the theme features as well. So I am just locating where is the demo option. It should be in theme option maybe. We will also preview the theme features available in this theme. For importing demo, you need to reach on the page import demo data, that is located under appearance section. Just click on import demo data, and this is the screen. Now we can import the demo data. Just click on it. Import is going on. It will take a bit time. It is going to import all the images, files and post and pages all. So just be on this page, don't refresh or leave this page. You will reach on this screen once the demo import gets complete. And now we can check the website. This is the website. Some content is here now. Let us check the pages what we got in the demo. So these are the pages. We got 10 pages. So we can take a look of home page. And this is the home page, what we got there as well. So limited post has been provided in the demo content, but yes, it is sufficient for understanding the theme features, and this is working very fine. You can see all the functions are working good. And we can assign a menu as well. Now let us go for some customization options. So we can check the menus. This is menu available in the demo. We will just assign the menu for home. Select header and hit on save changes. Now we got menus here, and this is the different view of, you can see the page is loading very fast. As I told you, the theme is well documented, well optimized. Code is here. This is why it is working very fast without any cache plugins or like. So we can conclude that we have installed the Paintable WordPress theme successfully, and now we can put our original content here. Now we can check and understand the theme features. So what additional we got in the WordPress installation? Responsive menu is here, that is fine, and the theme option is here. We can now deactivate the one-click demo importer plugin. It has role has been completed. Now we can check the theme options. These are the theme options. So it is simple, and we can definitely use it to customize our website. This is header setting, in which we can change the logo, blog setting, style setting, we can change color, and the footer setting itself. So we have completed the installation of Paintable WordPress theme, and the outcome website is here. So you may now proceed further for putting the content, your photographs and all such things. So if you get any trouble in the installation of this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me in the discussion section of this video, and I will definitely try to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring some wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.